Today we are going to check the Mifo S earbuds, a complete waterproof pair of earbuds. Welcome to the review of the Mifo S earbuds. Thiago here, welcome back, or welcome. If it's not the last one, let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, share this video with your friends. And with this said, let's start the review of the Mifo S. This is a great pair of earbuds, and I will tell you all about them. The price, how good they are, how bad they are, and in the end, I'll let you guys choose if you should buy them and if they are any good. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let's carry on with the review. Starting with the price. The Mifo S price tag in UK is £169. But there is a promotion going on Amazon, so the price tag goes down to £129. And because you guys are watching this video, you can have 20% more on top of that. Just check the video description for that. For our US viewers, the price tag is $169.99. And there is an Amazon promotion as well going on. So the price will go down to $149.99. Like in UK, I'll give you guys 20% off. Please check the video description. And like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Mifo S are a great quality pair of earbuds. They scream quality. Starting with the shell, I love the design with the sports and outdoor in green on top of the lid. At the back, you have a USB-C charging port. On top of that, you have a LED to indicate that it's charging. On the front, a button to press so you can open the lid. That button is also a reset button if you press 3 times. Quite smart, don't you think? The lid opening is one of the best. I would say the Ferrari of the lids. Haha, there is a nice and big hinge that will keep the lid open in all the positions. When you open the lid, the 3 LEDs in the middle will light up to indicate the amount of battery left. 3 LEDs full, 2 LEDs 70% left, 1 LED 30% left, and half of LED is charging. The earbuds sit inside on the lay flat fashion. They are so small. The design is the same of the shell, with the inside in matte black. They have an ergonomic design. The shape of the earbud is designed according to the ear and will not fall from your ears. They have 6 mics, 3 each, and the touch controls are placed where the Mifo's logo is. Again, great design, I have to say. The battery life of the Mifo S is pretty good. You are going to get around 6 hours on the earbuds, with 40 hours using the case. You also have a fast charging feature, so if you pick up your earbuds and they happen to be dead, a quick 15 minutes charge will get you 2 hours of use. Another premium feature is that if you forget to turn them off, if there is no audio playing out of these for 10 minutes, they will auto shut off. One downside is that there is no wireless charging. Let's see some of the features next. Bluetooth 5.2, AAC and SBC audio codecs, IPX7 waterproof. So, if you choose, you can go and swim with these ones. ANC noise cancelling, transparent mode, mild noise reduction, strong noise reduction, 40 hours of playback time. Let's talk ANC. Well, the ANC on the Mifo S is very good. They have 2 levels of noise cancelling, mild and strong. It starts in strong, the default mode, and in my opinion, one of the best ANC out there at this price range. The mild does what it says and lets you get a bit more of your surroundings. But let's not forget that everybody's ears are different when talking about sound. The last one in this section, they have a pass-through mode as well, and it's very sensitive and works well. You will be able to have a conversation without taking your earbuds off. Sound signature. The sound on the Mifo S is excellent. It's a very full sounding earbud without overdoing anything. The bass has a ton of punch to it. And if you are listening to fast music, the bass has no issues to keeping up with. The mids are pushed forward, making hearing vocalists without any issues. The mids have also a nice upfront sound. The treble is tuned in a way where everything had so much detail to it. All of this together makes these earbuds an excellent sounding earbud, with so much detail. Next, the call quality. 6 mics with active noise cancelling. Really good, right? Please be the judge on the next call quality test, inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the Mifo S outside. It's a little bit windy, but not that much. It's a nice, sunny, bright day. Doesn't look like we are in England, but we are. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of the Mifo S outside. We're gonna go inside and do the same test, but inside. See you guys in a bit. So this is the sound of the Mifo S inside of the house. This is my living room. So this is the sound that you will get when you are inside of the house and you are getting a phone call. Let's carry on with the review.
Fujifilm Mifo S are great using the low latency mode. There is no lag playing games, watching YouTube or Netflix. On controls, you have control over everything. Play, pause, skip your tracks forward, go backwards, volume control. You can switch between the different noise cancelling modes, low latency mode, sleeping mode, all of that. I'm really happy when I see a company going that extra mile for the customers. So, my final opinion. I do understand that could be a bit expensive for some people, but I do feel like this is a very special pair. They have a great size, great sound, they are great for sports or sleeping, they go with you everywhere. And from today, they sit on my desktop and they will go with me everywhere. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you like them? You're gonna buy them? You bought them already? Let me know in the comments. And that's it guys. This was my review on the Mifo S earbuds. If you enjoyed this review, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it all around with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a lovely day with your family and friends. And I'll catch you in the next one.